Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you will be fine. If you are new on my YouTube channel and NFT Insider, then subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. As you know, I am bringing new crypto project in which you can invest and get profit. So today I am bringing a new amazing cryptocurrency project. Its name is Boazera. In this video, I am going to share each and everything about this project. So guys, let's start our video. You can check here the official website interface. Boazera eTap is a step in progress. So guys, this project tap to earn will launch in January. You can check here more detail. Life does not come easy, but those who have earned and make it happen grow here. Your run is real and every touch puts you closer to the top. Forget that meaningless game talk. This is about our evolving, about getting out from below and building your story. So guys, you can check here, you can buy now. So guys, you can click the buy button and see this page is loading. So guys, you can check here, page is open. Guys, this project pre-sale is live. You can check here the interface, pre-sale interface. You can see the sold amount, you can see this goal, you can check here token name was Zora token symbol was pre-sale stage $0.03, current stage price $0.03. So guys, you can check here, so you can buy now. So first of all, you can connect your wallet. So guys, you can click this button and you can connect Polling wallet, MetaMask, Trust wallet, Browser wallet, Binance wallet. Then guys, you can select your network. So you can select USDT, then you can enter here your USDT amount. For example, I enter 1000, then you can receive the Boazera token. So you can check here now and you can see this more detail about this project Boazera pre-sale. From the hustle to victory, life does not come easy, but those with vision who make it happen rise up. Here your grand Israel, every top bring you closer to the top. Forget those meaningless games. This one's about growth, rising up and building your story. You can check here the interface. You can see this Boazera. You can check here now, so you can see the white paper. So guys, you can click here and see this white paper PDF. Open now Boazera. You can scroll down and check here. Boazera is more than a game. It's a digital movement of ascension, a free to play mobile multiplayer inspired by present communities, fueled by the energy of funk and driven by the pursuit of status, freedom, and achievement. E-tap is a step toward success. Players gain followers, fame, and rare rewards that can be converted into Boaz tokens, the official currency of the ecosystem. You can check here alter, you can scroll down and see this. You can check here now. You can get the follower. You can see this from anonymity to the top, an addictive game that turns your taps into frame and rewards you with real prizes every week. So guys, you can check now. So guys, I already discussed tap to earn will launch in January, so don't forget to tap now. You can check here, you can scroll down and see this the boys game. You can check here the interface, so you can tap here now, then you can get the followers. Now you can see this with simple taps you gain followers, climb the rankings, and the higher you go, the greater your chances of joining the weekly prize draw. You can see this. You can check here the some features about this. So you can check here touch and go viral, tap your way to fame, and collective ritual for like a true internet phenomenon, skins challenges and achievements. You can check here, you can see the skin challenges. The more followers you have, the more respect and recognition you earn in the game. You can see this your path to frame. You can check your collab, not 80%, podcast 65%, collab 80%, complete mission, make collabs and invest to boost your frames and rewards. Now you can check here, you can see this, the Boazera game simulates the life of a digital influencer where players complete tasks to earn followers, packs real boost that speed up their rise in the rankings, and the future can be exchanged for boy. You can check here the socials, podcast, notices, collab. You can check here now. You can see this some pictures about this Boazoria. You can check here now, and you can see this more picture task in action. You can check here, you can complete the task now, then you can gain your follower. You can check here now, you can see this clothes picture. You can check here some clothes picture of Boazora t-shirts, shorts, pants. You can change here now. You can see this some garage. You can check here this some beautiful cars. You can check here, and you can select the cars now. You can check here, you can see this daily prices. You can check here now the daily prices. You can collect the daily rewards. You can scroll down and check here. You can see this daily prices, Carbonia. Collect now. You can open now, then you can collect any reward. You can see this. You can check here now. You can see this all is the Voizoria game detail. You can check here now, so you can play now, then you can gain your followers now. You can see this ranking. Imagine a game where you don't have to spend a thing, just tap the screen, complete challenges. That's it, you are already competing for real prizes every week, totally free. So you can check here, so you can tap now, then you can gain followers every week. You can see this. You can check here the tokenomics. You can check your tokenamic detail, rewards 50%, marketing 10%, team 5%. You can see this. You can see this all is the tokenomics of this project Boazora. You can check here the roadmap. You can see the 2026 customer 1 tap to launch first real prizes in Boaz, influencer task and collab missions, ranking and achievement system activated, beta launch of the. You can check here cost number 2 weekly tournaments with real prizes, valid integration and stacking systems, new collabs with brands and creators, NFTs of Elias visuals and rare items, store, garage and upgrade system. Customer 3 offshore marketplace launch, character story mode, affiliate program and monetization, themed events, partnership with Web3 ecosystem, launch of Wise, start of international expansion, white paper V5 with results and 2026 vision. Customer 4 introduction of the main characters, closed alpha of the Tap to Earn game, community building on social media, validation of tap and reward mechanics, dual edits of the Boaz token contracts. You can read carefully detail. You can check here now the enough of this project. It's you can see the we are tired of seeing Brazilian project become synonymous of deception, scams, empty promises, shady scheme. This is not more of the same. You can read carefully article. You can see this. So we can back to the official pre-sale page. You can scroll down and check here the token Boaz. Boaz is the native utility token of the Boazoria ecosystem, designed to facilitate secure and more efficient transactions. You can check here token name Boazora token, supply 1 billion sample Boaz, contract address. You can see this. So guys, you can buy now, so you can connect your wallet, then you can see your vesting now. You can check here, and as we can go to the official website interface. So you can scroll down and check here step 1, register on your website, so we can make sure you are a real person. Step 2, choose which type of prize you want to participate in 100% free of charge. Step 3, grab your BZ raffle numbers and hope you are the lucky one at the end of each draw. Here your time is worth money and your rush is rewarded. The sooner you start, the more chances to earn big and change your life. So guys, you can join now, you can buy now. This launch in 10 days, one of our games players versus player games. You can scroll down and check here the first 100% Brazilian tap to earn game. Forget the this is the first meme queen game route made from BR to BR, inspired by the real journey of those who were stoned and conquered the top. The game bring Brazilian culture to the crypto universe without fluff and without broken promises. You can check here now, you can read carefully article. You can see the Boaz tap to earn, make your history just like the great influencer in Brazil, starting from zero and reaching the top with each tap on screen. Your followers will increase, unlocking more and more exclusive items, new missions, and at the end of each season exchange your followers for real money. So guys, you can tap now, then you can get the followers, then you can earn money. Now you can see this how it's work. You can check here the all pictures. You can see this. You can check here, tap and go viral, skin challenges and achievements, your path to the frame. You can check here now. Followers are worth money. And next you can scroll down and check here, challenge your friend in X1. You can see this, challenge your friends in one of our mini games where whoever win takes all the more virtual followers you get by playing, the more money you will earn at the end of the season. See this, you can check here the some picture about. You can see this, the bar has gone little and the trajectory remains the same in BZ Troco. You can see this troop of PZ state unit. The hood has always been the channel, but it never had a game to call its own. Now there is the first Brazilian meme queen that is not just speculation, it's experience, fun and profit. So guys, in this project going to first Brazilian project to be listed on Binance. That's our goal. You can check here, you can see these team members, AI Gringo, founder, architect, CEO and founder, Prime, head of product, the creator, copywriting, social media. You can see this all is the team member of this project. You can check here the voice area, frequently asked question, how do I start playing now. You can check here, you can see this. So guys, you can join this project on following social media platform: Telegram, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Gitbook, GitHub. So we go to the Instagram page. So guys, you can click here and see this time official BZ Instagram page is open. You can follow now. You can scroll down and check here the some picture about boys area. You can see the, you can like, comment now, and next we can back to the official page. So guys, our website video is finished. If you are like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.